Component properties can be configured to be computed. You saw an example of this in the color picker component. Let's look at another example and review some options. This code can be found in the rectangle-area directory. To create this project from scratch, create a new directory named rectangle-area, cd to it, create a package.json file by entering npm init-y, install the rec library by entering npm install rec. Copy numberslider.ts from the color demo project. Create a rectangle-area.ts file shown here. This component defines the properties width and height that are both numbers and have a default value. It renders two instances of the number slider component, one for setting the width property and one for setting the height property. The span element inside the div element displays the result of multiplying the width and height properties. It is updated automatically whenever either property value changes. Create the index.html file shown here. This just loads the component definition and renders an instance of it. Install Vite by entering npm install-D Vite. Edit package.json and add the script dev that runs the command Vite. Start a local file server by entering npm run dev. Browse localhost 5173, drag the width and height sliders, and note that the area changes. This works great, but there are other ways you can compute the area. To use a computed property, add the following in the static properties object. After area : change the span element content to this.area. This component works the same as before. You can also add a method to compute the area. There's little reason to do it in this example, but you can imagine a more complicated calculation where this may be desired. Add the following method. Either remove the area property and change the span content to this.getArea, or change the computed property in the area property configuration to this.getArea. But now we have an issue. How can rec know when to call that method again to get an updated value? The answer is that we need to tell rec that the width and height properties are used by the getArea method. To do this, change the static properties to the following. You'll see in the scripts video that rec provides a way to fill in the use by properties for you. And now the demo is working correctly again. You've seen another example of using computed properties along with alternative approaches to achieve the same result. In the next video, we explore the scripts rec provides that aid in the development of rec components. We'll also discuss a VS Code extension that runs the scripts.